Well, hello. Welcome back. So this is actually going to be a pretty good week. I don't have anything to talk about, but what you're going to be covering is going to directly be crucial from Lab 8 to the end of the class. Basically, the big focus of this lab is going to be base views and drawing views in general. But it's actually not labeled as such in the chapter. You've got your discussion board and lecture to do, of course, but it's just going to be called editing 3D objects too. But a big focus is going to be on those view placements. And what's going to happen is in those later labs, the ones that are in the technical drawing book, you're going to make the model and place those views and then just detail them. So like half the battle is going to be view placement. So make sure that you really understand the concepts and just go from there really. It's not an overly long chapter, but it is some juicy info in there. So other than that, you've got 6 assignments to do, and if anybody has any problems, just get back to me. We'll take care of it. All right, thanks for watching.